What does a mandolin sound like? Have you ever listened to the sweet, melodic tones of a mandolin and wondered what makes it so special? The mandolin produces a bright, clear, and ringing sound that truly stands out in Irish music. When tuned to G, D, A, and E, the same as a fiddle, it blends seamlessly with other traditional instruments. This tuning gives the mandolin a sustained, shimmering quality that can carry both rhythmic drive and lyrical melodies. In Irish music, you will typically encounter two main styles of mandolin, the A-style and the F-style. The A-style mandolin, which is more common in traditional Irish music, features a flat back and oval sound holes. This design produces a warmer, woodier tone with greater sustain and resonance, especially in the lower register. This warmth makes it perfect for the flowing, ornamented melodies that are characteristic of Irish tunes. On the other hand, the F-style mandolin has F-shaped sound holes and a decorative scroll. This style tends to offer a brighter tone with more volume and a stronger attack. While it is more commonly found in bluegrass and other American folk genres, it can still be used effectively in Irish music. The sound of the mandolin in Irish music often complements the fiddle beautifully. Since both instruments share the same tuning and note range, the mandolin can provide rhythmic chopping patterns that add a lively energy to the music. It also excels at playing intricate, fiddle-like melodic lines with a sweet, sustained tone. This versatility allows the mandolin to fit comfortably into Irish sessions, whether as a lead instrument or part of the rhythm section. If you are traveling in Ireland, listening to the mandolin in traditional music sessions is a unique experience. Its bright yet warm sound adds a distinctive color to the ensemble, blending harmoniously with fiddles, flutes, and guitars. Whether played solo or alongside other instruments, the mandolin's tone is inviting and lively, capturing the essence of Irish folk music in a compact and portable instrument. In essence, the mandolin sounds bright, clear, and ringing, with a warm, woody quality in the A-style that is often used in Irish music. It can deliver both rhythmic energy and melodic sweetness, making it a cherished part of the traditional Irish music scene.